how to create your account and start your store on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create it. First open your browser and then click start your free trial, and once you're here type your first name and then your last name, then your phone number, and now type here your email and then your password, and now click your store name and then select item you want here, and that's it. Just click create your store. Now just wait. And that's it. Now just and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.